Hey, what's up, y'all? Dave and Heather here, Wild Hearts Farm, where we're working to live a more sustainable life connected to nature and all that God has provided for us. If you guys have been following along, you know that we have a DIY project that we're getting ready to start. Actually, we're getting ready to start that today. So we have teamed with Vego garden beds. We're replacing all of our garden beds. Now, we're not going to be doing this once. We're going to do it's going to be kind of like a several step process for a couple big reasons, and Heather will talk to you about some of those reasons why.
So we're in between our summer and fall gardens. So I've got a bunch of stuff in the greenhouse right now that I grew from seed that is ready to be planted. So what we're going to do is go ahead and replace at least 2 of the beds for now so I can get my fall stuff in the ground. We still have a few things from the summer garden that are really thriving, like our pepper plants and some of our herbs and things like that I don't really want to necessarily demolish quite yet.
Don't want to waste any of that food.
Yeah, so we're going to do it in steps like Dave mentioned. We're also adding 6 other beds. So what we'll probably do is get a couple replaced for now, get the fall garden planted, then get those other 6 beds probably filled, and then work to get the other, what did that be, 6 beds in here eventually.
So there's a lot to be done. But today we've got to tear this bed apart. We've got to move a decent amount of this dirt out so we can put the new beds in and then basically refill them. We have to do something with though, right, Heather?
Yeah, so there's a couple things that I have, like the asparagus, that I'm going to have to dig up the roots because it comes back every year. So we're going to have to dig up those roots and transplant those. So I've got 2 different sets of asparagus in 2 different beds. And then we've got, that's really about it, I think, the asparagus for now. A couple of the herbs, too, I will try to transplant as well. But yeah, we've got some here that we're just going to harvest and Dave's going to eat.
So good.
Maybe the goats will get some as well. Maybe the chickens. So we don't usually let anything go to waste around here. We either eat it or one of the animals.
I foresee arugula salad tonight for dinner.
Yeah, arugula everything for the next couple of days. So yeah, we're going to get busy doing this, and it's a big project because we're digging all these beds. There's not an easy way to dig this out. It's not like we can just bring the tractor in here. We've got it fenced, so we've got to do a lot of it manually. So it's a lot of manual labor and a lot of hard work.
But I got my wife here to help me, and I absolutely love it. We're gonna get this done. So, all right, here we go.
So while Dave is working on digging all the dirt out of the beds, extremely labor intensive, and I should be helping him than I was, but I'm tired. So I'm going to put the beds together. So the beds that we went novel beds by Vego Garden, and they are the 10-in-1 beds. And the configuration that we're in is 2.5 by 9.5. So we're super excited to get these put together. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy put together while Dave is doing the hardcore labor.
All right, y'all, this is what I'm talking about. Just use metal beds, don't use wood. This is the reason we have this issue. I mean, if you don't care about treated, go ahead and use wood, but it's so hard to find a solution for non-treated wood that's just gonna last, because ours definitely did not. So don't make the same mistakes we did. Go with Vego garden beds. All right, y'all. I have to admit, moving that dirt was not a whole lot of fun, but putting the beds together was actually really easy. Love the looks of them. Love the durability. One down, many more to go. So we're just getting started here. Lots more to get done in the garden. And if you guys like what you see here, then we've got some important news for you.
So we are teaming up with Vego Garden to do a giveaway of a bed here on YouTube, and we're also giving one away on Instagram. So 2 beds that we're giving away total. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to our channel, subscribe to Vego Garden channel, comment below, and tag somebody in the comments. And let's grow together, you guys. Let's grow a garden, let's grow some flowers, let's do good, and we're excited about this giveaway. You have to be 18 years or older, of course, live in the US, and we'll post a few more of the rules below. But thanks for following and subscribing, and we look forward to seeing who wins the giveaway.
Absolutely. For those of you who've been following along, thank you so much. For the rest of you, go ahead and subscribe and join us in building Wild Hearts Farm. Thank you all for stopping by. God bless and have an awesome, awesome day. Till next time.